So I'm going to show you two ways. The first way is if you're using a local based account which is not a Microsoft account. So to do that, we're going to head over to search and then type in control panel. Click on it. And then once you're on this, next to view by, you want to select large icons. And then you want to scroll down and then click on user accounts. And now once you're on this, you want to click on change your account name. And then you can just make it anything you want. And then click on change name. And then that's how you do it. This is for the local account. Now for a Microsoft account, there are two ways to do it. For the first way, you want to head over to search and then type netplwiz. Click on it. Now once you're on this, your Microsoft account is going to appear here. You want to double click on it. And then you can just change the full name to whatever you want. And then click on OK. Click on OK again. And then you want to click on yes, which will then sign you out, then sign you back in. And then that should change your name. Now for the second way, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on accounts. And then you want to scroll down and then click on your info. You want to scroll down again. It's not going to show for me because I'm using a local account. But for you, it's going to show something to do with a Microsoft account, maybe here, or I might see right here. And then you want to click on manage my accounts, which will then take you to the browser. And then you want to log in to your Microsoft account and then you can change your name from there. After completing any of the two ways that I just showed you for the Microsoft account, you want to restart your computer and then that should do it for you.